Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create this halation effect in Photoshop. We're going to start by duplicating our layer with Command J, and then we're going to go to Image, Adjustments, and Threshold. Where the white is, that's where the glow is going to come from. So I'm going to choose about 152 so we get the definition of that logo and some detail on the balaclava. Then I'm going to go to Filter, Blur, and add a Gaussian blur. Now you might want to play around with the strength of this and even the threshold after the tutorial. For this, I'm going to go with about 5. Then in blending mode, I'm going to go to Screen. Now, as you can see, we've got that glow. You might want to stop here, but typical halation will have a red or orange kind of tint, so I'm going to add a solid color here and make it a kind of orangey red. Then holding Option and clicking in the middle, I'm going to do this, and then in blending mode, I'm going to bring it to soft light. And there we go. Now you've got your halation effect in Photoshop.